Okay, recording today. Hurricane came through here before last night. In the middle of the night, took all these electrical poles down. It snapped them in half from the top, and they all came down. Very devastating images to look at. You'll see more. This company right here, the roof completely got torn from the top. And going on further, it was a tornado rolling coming through here at 150 miles an hour. It looks like it zigzagged, took down buildings. There's total destruction of a restaurant. It's completely destructed all the way down, because you see these power lines all on the ground, all the way from one end of the street all the way to the other. Very scary pictures to look at. Some buildings are completely standing, not touched. Here's Walt's garage, got completely destroyed from the inside. The roof got collapsed from the upstairs. As you can see, these power lines just laying on the ground. They're all off completely, no power going through them. And this apartment complex here was new, now it is torn, got sticks sticking out, and partially of the roof just torn off. And going further, spoke to a person earlier. She said she's lived here all her life and something like this has never happened. They've had winds, but nothing happened this strong as a tornado has torn through town and destroyed major parts of the buildings and structures and telephone pole lines. As you can see, we're coming up to a building here which is completely demolished, destroyed. One person told me this used to be a Mexican restaurant and it's completely leveled. No wall, maybe one piece of wall standing, but just gone. I hope their insurance will cover what they have. We have a Baskin Robbins here, which is gone. Power will be restored here. Nobody knows when. As you can see, where the hurricane came, wind blew. Dangerous areas to walk through. Poles hanging, ready to come down at any time. People working 24/7, trying to get things fixed. Many people have nowhere to live. A lot of shelters have opened up, schools welcoming people, holding them and feeding them. So far, I've heard up to 12 people have died from this tornado. Another apartment complex up ahead has been completely torn. As you can see, there used to be a restaurant here, which was a pretty big restaurant. It is gone. Not much left.
Closer, closer.